This is what I got from Taco Tuesday today. My pace isn't that good, but this is what I got. I also got the new Pumpkinini Spiderini that generates 4.8 million per second. And I got another one, Jack Orilla, I think that's how you say it, that generates 945,000 per second. That's just for rebirth. Also, I got Lucky Block just before. And I also got Grapus Medusi off the boat, the thing. And I don't know how to say this, but it's cool. Cool. Pack it in. It's bamboo. And I got another Samini Spiderini that does 345 per second. And this gold Korkorkurkur that generates 1.7 million per sec. And as you can see, the rainbow is still here, the look is still here, and the bubblegum machine is still here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.